We are building viruses today. Brought to you by BEH, the only place where you can get your food at Lamar Consolidated High School. Good morning, class. First of all, let's get the playoffs corrected. The Cavs will win the championship. I just want to let y'all know. I hope y'all had a great weekend. Now let's get to the business. All right, guys, today you will be making a virus structure, okay? You're gonna use marshmallows, toothpicks, raisins, markers, and that's about it, okay? So you will need one raisin, okay? You will need one raisin. You will need 7 toothpicks, okay? You will need 7 toothpicks, You will need 2 marshmallows, okay? You will need 2 marshmallows to complete this activity. You guys, you will have to use these words to label your virus structure, okay? You have to use these words to label your virus structure after you make it, all right? After you make it, you have to use these words to label your virus. Now, after you make your virus structure, all right, the end goal is you make your virus structure, then you got to tell me how the lactic cycle works, and then you got to write it out in the description form, and then how the lactic cycle works. I mean, the lactic cycle and the lysogenic cycle, I'm sorry. The lactic cycle and the lysogenic cycle, all right? You got to tell me how that works. You got to write it out. You got to, but with the virus that you're about to make, or the capsule that you're about to make, that's holding the DNA, the viral DNA, then you have to explain out what happens when it hits a cell, okay? So that's the lactic cycle, or lactic cycle, however you want to say it, all right? And then you're going to draw out how lysogenic cycle works. And then you got to explain to me which one is the faster process, which one is the slower process, all right? And then tomorrow we'll build the HIV structure, and then we'll make sure we know the parts of that. I'll give you a micro test, and then we will be done. Now, let's talk about your homework. Your homework for tonight, and it's through tomorrow, is you have to watch at least one episode of Containment, okay? You have to at least watch one episode of Containment and tell me that the virus that these people are getting, is it a lactic cycle type virus or is it a lysogenic virus? And then we'll talk about some of the other things that go on, all right? Now, with this homework, it will be counted as a major test grade for the major grade for the last 6 weeks of school, okay? So, literally all I'm asking you to do is watch Containment, okay? And then we'll come to class and discuss it, and we'll tie containment into the last part of teaching you about viruses. You will have it all down, and we'll be ready to rock. And that's the game, all right? If you got any questions after this video, please let me know, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach. I'm here to teach. I'm here to teach you, all right? Here to teach you. I'm here to serve the community of students, all right? So let's have fun with this. And this whole activity that we're doing today will be put in the grade book upon completion, okay? So we have no room to play. I'll put you in groups of 2s, and I will use the scrambler, so you won't even get to pick your group, okay? I will use the scrambler and give everybody numbers, and I use the scrambler to pick the group, and then it'll put you in pairs by itself, and then we'll rock on. So if you got any questions, I got the paper over here on the desk. After you build your structure, and you got to explain it out. Pencils and pens, color pencils in the back, all that. Let's do this, all right? So we can have 100% mastery on this target, okay? On this target only. I'll be calling some people in the hallway to re-go over the plant body systems, as far as the shoot system, vascular system, dermal, all that good stuff, because some of the micro tests didn't come out well. So I'm gonna take that data and call the kids outside and reteach that real quick, and while everybody else working. So again, I'm out. Kusa 100. By the way, let's go Braun. Let's go Cavs. Consistently operating over standard achievement, Kusa 100 is brought to you by Ivra L. Warren, all right, biology teacher. Listen, now, all my students will perform at high levels, every one of them. I love them all. There's no room for failure, only excellence.